Hi, judges. Thank you for taking a look at our project, NutriTrack, a React Native app that uses AI to analyze the photos of food and help track the user's nutrition. Um, since I don't want this video to be too long and take up too much of your time, I'm just going to quickly go over some key parts of the code to go over that and not take too much of your time. So over here, let me show you our project structure. I have a configuration folder that contains the configuration file, so like the Firebase config and the API config. Now, we also have a context folder which keeps the user logged in while they're navigating the app without logging out, which is what auth context for, and nutrition context is to contain the information about their nutrition and make sure that maintains there. Screens is just what keeps the users tracked, so, like what the users see. So dashboard screen is the dashboard. Edit profile screen is just where they can edit profile. Food analysis, that's where they can analyze food. It's just the screens right there. Services is the AI service. That's where the key part happens, where the magic happens mainly. It's where it analyzes the food through the Google's generative AI and gives us the result that we need. So let me talk a little bit about Firebase. So integrating Firebase was pretty tricky and really annoying for me because Expo Go doesn't support the normal way that I did for Firebase. So typically I actually initially approached this thinking I would have to set it up for Android and iOS through Firebase, but I found out that it doesn't work that way. It just doesn't work. So I tried using Firebase web app and setting it up with Expo Go from something I found online. I thought it would work. It did not work. It made me really annoyed. And then I remembered, wait, I'm using React Native. So what about you trying to set up Firebase for React Native? And there we go. That one worked from there. So that issue took me a long time and was really annoying. But I was able to get that working. So the Firebase config is just this. Pretty simple. Setting up the Firebase, initializing, and just doing authentication checks. So nothing too big. Now, we also let me talk more about the AI integration that we did. So the AI integration, which is what I said before, was in AI services. So the way, as I stated before, it's using Google's generative AI to analyze the food images that the user provides. So this function, where is it? Oh, right here, analyze food image. It sends the image that has been gathered in base 64 so that it's also compressed as well so that it doesn't take too long to send. It sends it to the AI model and it follows a repeated prompt system. So first, we want to make sure that it's actually food. I know that this system works because I sent a picture of my speaker and it knew this is a speaker, not actual food. And once that's checked, then it proceeds to get nutritional info and it also determines if it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and then it turns the AI response that also gets converted into JSON, which the app then uses to provide a nice view for the user. Okay, so this has taken already a lot more time than I expected and hoped it would, so I'm going to end it right here. Those two were the main key parts of the program. If you do have any questions, I suppose feel free to ask me. I hope you enjoy our application, and I hope you enjoy the demo we've prepared.
Thank you for looking at our HackaMind Hackathon solution. This is our website, which is a direct link to our app. Here you can see it's an AI-powered app that scans your food, plans your meals, and tracks your progress. This is just showcasing the app and telling you how to download it. Why choose it? It has AI food scanning, smart meal planning, and comprehensive tracking. It's also a mobile-first design, it has good goal setting, and smart insights. Here, you can scan your food, automatically calculate calories, protein, and carbs with insane accuracy. You have daily progress charts, good analytics, and you can optimize your nutrition journey, as well as smart meal planning and just recommendations just for you. How it works is you scan your food, AI analysis, it'll do the learning algorithms and includes all your calories, macros, and micronutrients which you need, and it'll display that information to you. You can track your progress with daily intake and get insights to stay on track. Here's how you download it. You just need to go to Expo Go from the App Store or Google Play if you're an Android. sign up for a free account using the app, and scan the QR code, which will instantly launch the app. It's AI-powered, privacy-first, and designed for simplicity. 10 plus active users, which are our parents, and you can scan hundreds of foods with incredible accuracy rates. Now we'll be going on to the app showcase. Hello, this is our app for the HackaMind Hackathon submission. All you have to do is go to the App Store and download Expo Go, which is a free app. Once you download it, you have to go and scan the QR code from our website, which we previously redirected you to. Once you scan this, you can open the project with Expo Go, and it will download it for you. Once you have Expo Go ready and you have our app open, you can create an account, or if you already have one, you can sign in. Here, I will be choosing to sign in, and once I sign in, you have your today's calories and your target dashboard. Here, you can scan food, which will power it through AI analysis, or you can upload your photo. You can generate a meal plan, which will cover your day's meals. Once takes a second to generate. Once it generates, it'll show you your total meals you need for the day and your total calories if you haven't met that already. You have your view history, which I already scanned this earlier, and when it did it, I got a 7 out of 10 health score, 450 calories, proteins, carbs, fats, and all these macronutrients that you also need. It'll give you nutrition tips, and it'll give you good analysis details. You can also do weight tracking, where you can track your weight, add an entry every single time you gain weight or you lose weight. And once you add in your weight entry, you can check how far you went down, and you can constantly track that. You have your water tracking, where you can add in how much ounces you drink that day. You have your intake per time that you set it to. You have your quick stats on what you're doing, if you're on track or not. And your profile, which you can update. You can change your weight, your activity, and your age. You can also view your food history and your personal information if you would like to do that. And this is all private and only known to you. You can also see your day summary. Thank you for looking at our app and checking it out. Also, thank you for the opportunity to the HackaMind Hackathon.